Hello, I am Srinivas with you. Today I am going to prepare Matar sabji. The ingredients which I am going to put are in this way. First, Matar. For the special effect, I am going to use carrots also. Putting carrots. Right. After that, onion, half of ginger, mirchi, required amount of namak, that is salt, a bit of turmeric, few groundnuts, and tamarind juice. Done. It's very simple procedure for bachelors to complete early. After that, I will close this pressure cooker and boil it until I get 3 whistles. This is the first whistle. I paused this video in between. Water and the ingredients we boiled look like this. We will add this to the tadaka. Now I am going to prepare the tadaka for this. So for the tadaka, first of all, I have added sufficient amount of oil, cooking oil. Once it is boiled, I think oil is sufficiently boiled. Adding mustard, then jeera, then chana dal, and a few grains of groundnuts. Once these are fried, I will add, this is garlic, chopped garlic I have added, and then chopped ginger, then dry mirch for flavor, then chopped onion. Once the onions are lightly fried or its color change, then I add chopped tomato, a small chopped tomato. I need to close it. so that the tomato will be pulped. Meanwhile, I will taste tomato for sufficient mirchi and namak. It's okay. Taste it, sir. How it is?
Yes, it's cooked.
It's cooked. Yeah. What about the salt and chili?
Everything is good.
Everything is good. Okay. Now the tomato not got pulped. I will add a little bit of salt and little bit of haldi, and then the boiled ingredients are transferred to this tadaka. Hope it comes good. And this procedure hardly takes 15 to 20 minutes for batch. They can cook early, they learn and they can fly off. So in the side, I prepared rice. I put rice. Meanwhile, the rice got cooked. See, now all the ingredients got mixed, get cooked together. See, this is also got cooked. Carrot got cooked. Rice is. Now our matar sabji is prepared, ready to eat.